If you use store-bought pie crust, a pecan pie is simply easy to make. And I'm going to use bourbon, light corn syrup, dark corn syrup, 4 eggs, butter, cup of sugar, and pecans. Let's get started. First thing I do is I put the pie crust in the pie pan, and I'm going to put this in the freezer. Next, put your 1 cup of sugar in a small pot, and put your corn syrup in with it. Turn your heat on and bring this to a bubble. I have 3/4 cup of the clear and 3/4 cup of the amber corn syrup. Once it starts boiling like this, turn your heat down so it doesn't boil over, and you want to boil this for about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. The longer you do it, you don't have to do it that long, but the longer you do it, the more your pie will kind of taste like caramel or butterscotch. You know, it'll just give it a deeper flavor. Next, you want to take your 4 eggs and beat them up some. We're going to pour this hot sugar into there slowly. I have let this pot of sugar cool off for 5 minutes. I'm just going to beat this in. I'm not going to stop the filming of this, but the more you get in there, the faster you can go. And I think we can just pour it in there now. Try to get all of it. We're almost done. I'm going to take this. Now, this is not necessary. You don't have to do this. I'm going to strain it for any bits of cooked eggs, so you won't see any spots in your filling. But you don't have to do that. And next we will take our melted butter. It's half a stick, or 2 ounces, or 1/4 of a cup. We'll pour that in, and we'll pour in a tablespoon of the bourbon. If you don't want to use bourbon, you can use vanilla, which is also an alcohol. And here's our pie crust, just out of the freezer. Put your pecans in here. You can use anywhere from a cup to a cup and a half. And we'll pour our filling in. And this goes straight away into our 350-degree oven. I always bake mine for 55 minutes. So I would look at yours in around 50 minutes. It might take an hour, but mine always takes 55. So into my oven. Here it is out of the oven, and it did bake at 350 degrees for 55 minutes. It was a little bit jiggly when it come out, but see, it's already firming up. See, it's a little jiggly. So anyway, I always let this cool off overnight before I cut it. So see you tomorrow. I'm going to force myself and try a bite. Yeah, so good. So good. Thank you so much for watching.